Okay, hello traders, this is the Wolf with another tutorial video in the trend series. And before we start, I just want to explain to you why my video frequency or the number of videos I upload is not as high as a lot of other people or other channels. Because I think by now you all should know me better, that I only believe in making quality videos, not just making videos for the sake of making them. And secondly, you guys need to understand that trading is not something that you're going to make money overnight. Okay, all great things takes time, and you guys got to understand that and not rush the process and just trust the process. Okay. Secondly, I'm not interested in people who just want to be video junkies and just watch video after video after video and do not learn anything from it and do not understand the quality of it and do not actually put in the effort to apply whatever the video is teaching into their own trading and their chart. Okay, so keeping my video frequency low actually gives the viewers or your subscribers time to actually apply those concepts, come back, revisit the video, and I assure you that every time you revisit a video, regardless of your level, or you may think that I've watched the videos like so many times, that every time you watch the video again, depending on where you are in your trading journey, you will definitely learn something new which you can apply, which maybe you have overlooked at your current level, or you didn't understand, you know, the kind of like a light bulb moment that will give you certain hints. Okay, and all my videos are very deep, so I've made it in a way that it's very deep, that serves that purpose, that every time when you visit it, you will learn something new. Okay. So secondly, there's a lot of other channels making videos trying to so-called, I do not know whether to say to teach traders or to just make use of the psychology factor that traders, especially newbie traders, that they want to make money fast and they think that trading is so easy that you know, to make use of that the gullibility and the weakness of these people to make money out of that. So I hope you guys understand why I'm doing what I'm doing, and the kind of quality of the videos that I'm making that needs to reach in fact every newbie trader out there to learn the right things instead of learning rubbish. Okay, so let's go into today's subject, and I'm going to continue about the trend surfing series. I'll do a longer video which I can give you as much golden information and golden tips which I can give you so that it can assist you in your learning journey about trend surfing. Okay. Secondly, as newbie traders, you all need to stop looking for reversal trades, because the easy way to trade is to do continuation trades with the market, following the trend, and then as you do that, you will learn a lot of things that will help you to understand the market better. And in time, you know, once you understand how a proper reversal takes place, then maybe you can do some reversal trades. But you got to understand that the human brain, the psychology of the human brain, okay, always the natural way of how the mind works is they always have this what goes up must come down kind of mentality. So when I say this, what goes up must come down mentality, so when the market is going up, you know, the tendency of the brain is, okay, it can't go up forever, and they start to look for reversal trade without actually confirming a reversal based on rejection. alone, which is definitely not enough. And over time, you're gonna learn the hard way. Okay, so I hope that's clear. And and there are some of my subscribers who actually ask me. They say, "Why are you explaining the market based on what has already happened and stuff like that?" They want like real life context and everything. Okay, let me explain it to clarify it very clearly. Okay, when I'm doing my tutorial videos, if the market presents itself, only then I can show you something. Okay, other than that, it is not easy to show you what I'm trying to show you unless the market gives me, on the live market, it gives me an opportunity to explain in context what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, the purpose of my videos is to give you guys a tutorial, a proper video to help you to enhance your learning. Okay, it's nothing about fancy things or $1,000 profit, 1,000% profit, and all those kind of nonsense, which a lot of fake YouTube videos or fake traders who are trying to do this kind of marketing gimmicks to kind of fool all the newbie traders out there. Okay, so I hope this is very clear, because I want you guys to understand that I'm making my YouTube channel and videos to help traders, put them on the right track, and help them grow in their trading journey. That is the main and sole purpose of my YouTube channel and the videos that I make. So I would like to thank all those subscribers who have been following my videos and learning. Okay, those who are with me will know the quality of what I'm trying to teach and what I'm trying to give to you guys. Okay, so let's not waste any more time and let's go to today's tutorial. Okay, so today's tutorial, we're going to continue the trend series, and we're going to talk more about trend surfing, and I'm going to explain to you a golden nuggets and tips of what to do and how to look at the market, because I do know that a lot of traders, they are looking at the market wrong and they don't understand what's going on. Okay, so today we're on the Euro USD Tuesday Euro USD live market. Okay, and currently the market is going into an uptrend. So basically, you need to understand what we call the swing high and the swing low, or what they call that as Fibonacci levels. Okay, but the thing is, you do not need to actually plot the Fibonacci. If you know how to plot your SNRs and your support and resistance properly, the Fibonacci level itself will appear in the form of your SNR. Okay, so what do I mean by this? Okay, firstly, okay, you need to understand the EMAs. Okay, the EMAs are actually showing you the bigger picture of larger time frame. So the yellow EMA, which is EMA 20, shows you the time frame of about 20 minutes to 30 minutes of how the market. Okay, EMA 50 for about an hour, EMA 100 for about almost 2 hour or 2 hour chart, and EMA 200 shows you about a 4 hour chart. Okay, so currently you need to understand the trend, the highs, the lows, and then from there, and like I always tell you, always look for the round number near those levels, so that you can get the price. Okay, so basically in a trend, okay, you will need 3 SNR levels. One is the high, one is the low, and one is the average price, which is around 50%. Okay, so that is what in Fibonacci they call the 0, the 100, the 50. Okay, and live market will actually present and show you SNR levels as they unfold. So you need to understand this. Okay, so this is the support range. Okay, this is the high, so this is the swing low, this is the swing high, this area. Okay, I'm just marking the round numbers to show you the zones. So I'm not going to plot the body reversal because I just want you to see and understand how the market is behaving and how the market is going. Okay, so if you talk about you need to understand the trend. Okay, so for example, the trend is going in a ranging, and then at this point the market reverses down. So you can consider this also as a significant key level, but of course it all depends on how price behaves. Okay, so what do you need to do? Okay, last video we spoke about what not to do. So this video I think we talk a bit more what to do, how to do it. Okay, so basically, okay, when you are trading, you need to identify the direction of the market. And when you do identify the direction of the market, okay, you can see this area is respected, having a pullback, and you need to understand that the market works in, it's either going up in an uptrend or coming down in a downtrend, or you have ranging or consolidation. This is the only three things that always repeats itself in the market. You need to understand this. So when we are talking about trend surfing, okay, the best trends, I already spoke in the last video, the best trends are the start of the new trend. And what you need to do is, okay, for example, let's go to today's market, since the market is in an uptrend. So what you need to do in an uptrend? Okay, what are the things to expect in an uptrend? What are the kind of things to look for in an uptrend? Okay, one of the most important thing is you need to understand behavior. Behavior, finding your support and resistance zones, finding the current price action respect levels, and where the price is being triggered to create higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs and higher lows is because we are now in an uptrend. Okay, so but of course you need to understand in an uptrend the market is not going to just keep on going up. Okay, there will be pullback waves, or we call it correction waves. So let me just explain to you. Okay, so in an uptrend, this is the zone, the upper BB2 and the upper BB1. The market goes up, breaks out of the range, breakout, okay, pull back, goes to this zone, and then you have what looks like a downtrend or pullback, a minor downtrend or minor pullback. So what you need to do, okay, when you're following the uptrend, you need to look for sellers' failure of the sellers to create lower lows, failure of the sellers to break a key level, okay, things like that. Those are the kind of things that you need to keep your eye out for. Okay, so like for example, now we are in the uptrend. Currently we're having a pullback. Okay, so what do you need, okay, to surf the trend? Okay, you need to wait for pullback, trigger, breakout, continuation. Okay, or pullback, trigger, breakout, retest, continuation. Then you can confirm that the price is going higher, and then you can follow the market. So for example, you see the pullback here, and then you have this bearish hammer, a small bearish hammer, more like a doji, and then this candle you need the confirmation. So this candle is showing you that the price is going up. Okay, so what do we need? Okay, you need to watch out for the resistance zone. Okay, this is now the price is in the resistance zone. So whether the price will break out of the zone or not is another question. Okay, so you can see the price is breaking out. Okay, so when you have something like this, then you can confirm the buying pressure, but you need to see the market, if the market breaks or not. Okay, hopefully I can show you 1 or 2 trades in this video. Okay, this is the important thing that you need to understand. When you're in an uptrend, you're supposed to look for support. Respect using the support to do your trades, to do your continuation trades. Okay, and like I told you before, this is a breakout candle. Market trying to break out of the BB2, which shows that the trend is strong, but you need to confirm it on the retest candle of the BB2. So this candle, wherever there is a candle, there is a possibility of going red. Okay, you need to wait and see how the candle forms. Okay, how the candle forms, and you need to see the power of the buyers. Okay, and what's happening at the current price. Okay, so you can see from this move, and for you to understand the trend, it is not halfway in the trend or towards the end of the trend and things like that. You need to understand the power of the trend when the trend starts. Okay, like for example, I pull back here, you see this candle, and then you see the trigger comes. Okay, strong bearish, strong bullish breakout, and this candle. Okay, you see it's weak. Okay, the BB2 is always a dangerous area because there's always chances of market going back into range. Okay, and you have to be careful of that. So when you see a weak bullish candle, okay, there's always chances of market reversing or pulling back into the trend or into the trend channel. So what as traders you all need to do? Okay, you all need to be patient to take your trades, have a proper money management, risk management, and always remember the focus is not about making money. Okay, as a trader, the focus is about just doing right trades, good trades, and trusting your money management system. Okay, that you're doing the right thing. Okay, so currently we can see that the market is in an uptrend. Okay, on the 30-minute, on the 1 hour, and the 2 hour and 4 hour. Okay, it's trying on the larger time frame. So when you have this kind of EMAs on a larger time frame, okay, this is what we call as multi-time frame advantage or market bias, and this is what you're trying to use this to your advantage, to your favor. Okay, so for example, now you have an evening star. You need to see this candle, whether this is the resistance which broke. So now you need to see if this level will act as a support. And the moment you see bearish candles, okay, do not assume that the market will go up just based on rejection and do a call. Okay, you need to have the trend direction on your side, pressure on your side, SNR on your side, and lastly is a candlestick pattern on your side. But candlestick patterns and candlesticks, I decided to do candlesticks tutorial as the last tutorial in this series. So because the trend I believe is one of the most important thing. Not just blindly doing trades based on candlestick pattern. So you just need to be patient to see the market bias or the direction of the market. But we do know the major trend is up. Okay, the major trend is up. So if the major trend is up and you just want to follow the major trend and the minor trend, then just avoid the bearish movement and just wait for the buyers to make their move again. And you need to understand the trend is not going to last forever. So that is the reason why you need to understand and to see what's going on. Okay, I've already explained to you about what not to do. So we're going to look a bit about what to do. Okay, large candle. You see, this is a retest, but the level is not clear, and then level breaks. So now you see you're having a bearish momentum wave. So what do you need to do in a bearish momentum wave? You just wait for retest confirmation, and then you can do put trades. But since we are in an uptrend, so let's just wait for call trades. Okay, don't worry about missing trades or missing opportunities or all those kind of things. Okay, important is you got to know what you want before you even enter your session. Know what you want, wait for it, execute it, finish it, close the session. Okay, so this is the first crossing of the 20 EMA, which is always a danger zone, and there's always possibilities of fake breakout. So why I'm telling you guys to focus on being careful of the retest, okay? Because the retest is where the fake breakout can happen and can cause you to lose your trade. So it's always better to be patient and wait for a sure shot. As long as there's something creating doubt, okay, and you don't understand what's going on, just wait and understand and confirm the direction of what is trying to happen before you actually execute your trade. Okay, so you can see generally the market is on a uptrend. Okay, you have a uptrend wave, pullback wave, ranging, and then another uptrend wave. So this is the new high. Okay, and when you see, okay, like for example, now you see this bearish momentum. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have a fake breakout of the 20 EMA. Okay, this candle you have to be aware and you cannot take it blindly, because you already have a strong bearish momentum and you need to see how the market forms, because this could always be just a pullback and then the next candle could trigger. Okay, so, and speaking of trigger, okay, I want to, hopefully the market can give me the opportunity to show you guys what is a trigger. Okay, a trigger is when, okay, let me just explain to you if you don't understand what a trigger is. A trigger is when the market is going in a certain direction, it breaks the key level like this here, and then you have a pullback to retest the key level, and then the moment the level touches, you will have a strong aggressive burst of sellers, which shows you the trigger and the pressure that the trend wants to continue down. Okay, but you must always be aware of the support zones based on evidence, not just based on what you assume. Okay, so you have a minor downtrend, pullback, bearish engulfing. So this candle should be a bearish candle, but you have support zones here. Okay, so what you need to see, you need to wait and see the failure. Okay, so like for example, based on this trend from here, okay, from here what's happening till here, You have a downtrend, a reversal from a evening star, downtrend, pullback. This candle should be a bearish candle. Okay, so when it doesn't form into a bearish candle, that is where you know something is wrong. Okay, so that is how you actually use confirmation to confirm the direction of the market before you do continuation trade. Okay, so this candle formed bearish, but what do you need? Okay, you need the candle to break the key level. Okay, if it doesn't break the key level, there's always a possibility that the market may reverse. So you have to be careful about that. But we already know on the larger time frame that the market is shifting into an uptrend. Currently now market is in ranging mode. So in ranging, the market will try to move from the BB2 upper to the BB2 lower. Okay, and you see what I mean? Because this candle didn't break the key level, this candle turned into a doji, and possibly a morning star, which may start the uptrend wave again. Okay, so I hope you guys are clear about what I'm talking about in this video. Okay, I hope I can show you a few trading examples. But it's important to identify the necklines and to understand the market before you actually take your trade. Okay, so now price is entering the resistance zone again. This actually has formed into a neckline, but you must be careful of this BB1 because currently the market is in ranging market. Okay, and previous behaviors will show you and give you some clues of the market. Okay, so let's see if I can show you one or two trades. Okay, based on today's market. If not, I'll just try to explain whatever I can. So you see, you're in an uptrend. Okay, these trades could be taken, but the thing is, you know that you're in a major uptrend. Okay, so all you need is the patience to wait for the uptrend to start again, or the major and the minor uptrend to start again before you do your trade. Okay, so now you're having a rejection through this BB1 upper, and this is the reason why I told you you have to be careful. Okay, but market direction is up, and you can see the power coming in. Okay, so after this morning star, you have a big bullish candle and a continuation candle, but this resistance is not broken, and you can see over here how the BB1 was respected, closed above, opened below, respected, and then continued down. So you have to take note of these kind of things. Okay, these are the possible danger zones. Okay, so let's watch the live candle of what's happening. Okay, so currently market is in an uptrend. Okay, the moment you have a candle that pierces, okay, it is not advisable to take the trade. Okay, you want a clean candle with bearish weakness. Although we are in an uptrend, but these are the zones where there is possibility of reversal. Okay, you need to take note of that. Okay, and when a candle is piercing, that is actually something like a trigger. So now if this candle, the bearish movement fails because you saw the strong pierce, If the best fail, then the next candle will go higher. Okay, and you can see this is the reason why you have to be careful of these zones. Okay, this candle couldn't clear the previous high, but that doesn't mean you take a reversal trade because you're going against the direction of the market. So you need to be a little bit patient to confirm your trade. Okay, so you have the downtrend reversal here, and you have the second reversal here. Okay, which is like something like a double top. Okay, so you can see that the uptrend has lost momentum, but you have to wait for a good trade with confirmation, and you try to avoid those zones where there's always a possibility of a reversal. You want a clean continuation. Okay, currently the direction is up. So let's see what happens. So based on what's happening, okay, you have an engulfing. This could be a retrace. So this candle, based on the movement, this candle is supposed to trigger down. But the market direction is up. So if it doesn't trigger down, it means that we are still in an uptrend. Okay, so the zone to be careful of at the moment is the BB1 upper level. Okay, let's mark this level. We need the buyers to show strength. You see, like what I told you, this candle is supposed to trigger. It pulls back onto the major zone, and the moment you start to see green, red, it already showing you signs of consolidation. Okay, so you have to be careful not to trade blindly just because the market direction is up. Okay, so you see green, red, it's already sign of consolidation, so you have to wait. Just be a little patient for the market to show you the move. Okay, most traders actually stick to a trading plan of maximum 5 trades a day. Okay, so it's important to train your psychology to be patient and to wait for the right confirmation and the right trade to do your session and end it nicely and finish the session. So you see red, green, green. Now you're having the breakout or the reversal. Okay, level, fake breakout, retest of the level, and then trigger. But the problem is the 20 EMA. Okay, let's wait for an opportunity where I can show you. And as the market forms, you can start to find those current price action levels. Okay, I'm at this level, let's ignore it. Okay, so you see the price still open above. This is a consolidation going on right now. So we will just wait. You can see the EMA is already formed nicely. The 100 is separating from the 200 in the uptrend. We should be expecting an uptrend breakout soon. So let's see what happens. Let's just wait to see who has the buyers of the market. And you can see the BB1 upper is being respected. So try to avoid the trade which is SNR versus pressure scenarios like what we are facing right now. Okay. So once this level is clear, you still need to be careful of the highs of the wicks for the whole zone to clear. And you can see the market still closed below the BB1. So you can see the current price action respect is actually showing respect of the BB1 upper, but the market direction is up, but the SNR is down. Okay, the SNR is down to the BB1 upper. And you already have evidence of a fake breakout before. So even if this candle breaks, you have to always be careful of a fake breakout because you have evidence showing you that there is a possibility of a fake breakout. Okay, maybe the market currently is not showing some very nice wave which I can show you some good trades. Okay, because the trend is already quite long. Okay, so this is the retest candle of the BB1. This candle body high cleared all the highs, but you need to understand we are still in a ranging market. Okay, and this is the high of the trend. So I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to talk to you about in this second trend surfing video and in the trend series. Okay. Okay. So you see this bearish candle is trying to form bearish. If this candle fails, you can easily do a continuation trade. But you need to see, because in a ranging market, the danger zone is always the BB2 and BB1. And this is where market can actually reverse. You can see strong bearish. Okay, you saw that? This is a sign of a bearish failure. But we need to see how the candle closes. Okay, so this candle didn't fail. You see, it still turned bearish at the end of the day. So this is actually a fight zone between the BB1 lower trying to start the uptrend and the BB1 upper, and the BB2 upper that is trying to contain the buyers back into range. So you need to wait to see what happens. And this candle is supposed to be a breakout candle. So uptrend, pull back, this candle is supposed to break. If it doesn't break, then you know the market direction has changed. So you can see, if there are a lot of traders just base their trade on rejection, and if you just do this trade based on rejection, you would have been out of the money. Okay, so now we can confirm, because of the retest, that market direction is trying to go down. But we need the level to clear. Okay, I'm going to do this trade based on so based on current direction of the market, this should be a put trade. Because of the pressure, this candle trigger, you saw this candle went up and then triggered down. So this candle shows that the uptrend is now shifting to a downtrend, and the bears are the market is more bearish bias based on this candle. But we are at the danger zone of the BB1. So just be little patient, the market will show you clearly what to do. Okay, and you see, this candle turned bullish because of the BB1, because we are in a major uptrend. Okay, and this is the resistance zone. So you can see this is the low, you have a higher low, higher low. Market is trying to go up. But based on this candle, you know that this area is a danger zone where sellers can come in at any time. So you guys need to understand this, okay? And the reason why I'm making the video today, because a lot of y'all requested that I do the video on the live market on a weekday, not the OTC market. So that's the reason why I'm doing it today, okay? So trend surfing, okay? Trend surfing is basically following the trend using support in an uptrend to do call trades, using resistance in a downtrend to do put trades, okay? But what you do not want to see is a two-sided pressure market, okay? What you want is a one-sided pressure, and this is a possible reversal zone. Why you need to understand how a reversal happens, okay? You will always have a first change of direction, and then market will go back up, and okay, do you see how that candle pushed, jerked down? Okay, that is called trigger. When the moment it touches the level, it triggers. Okay. The next candle should be a bearish candle. But since we're in an uptrend, we have the 20 EMA. This is the reversal point. This is the evidence of strong sellers here. Goes back up to retest, and then you have a strong candle. Okay. Okay. You can see it goes up, rejects down. So this candle should form as a retrace candle, and the next candle we are having the start of the downtrend. So we need to see how this candle forms, and the next candle should be a bearish candle. But this support is still holding. Okay. I just hope I can show you at least one trade in this session, so that to give you all a live understanding. Okay, this candle is evidence that the market is starting to be bearish. Okay, price is touching the zone again. So we need to see how the price behaves. If it's going to break, or there's going to be another trigger. Okay, it looks like it's going for uptrend breakout. You need to see a significant failure, okay, like example like this candle. You need a significant failure, and you need a confirmation, a retest confirmation or confirmation, and then you can follow the wave. Okay, that's how you actually follow the wave. Okay, you have a gap down, which shows danger. Okay, market is currently in a sideways range between the BB1 middle, EMA 20, and the BB2. So you can see market is actually in an uptrend, but not strong enough to break out of the range of the BB2. Okay. So I hope you understand what I'm talking about in this second trend surfing video. So whatever you're trying to do, okay, make sure you're doing it with the market, with the trend, with the direction, and you want simple clear trades. Okay, do not take reversal trades. Do not take all these reversal trades that appears, reversal trade, reversal trade, reversal trade. Let the market give you clear direction of what it's trying to do. Okay, when you have that clear direction of what it's trying to do, then you take your trade. Until then, just have a cup of coffee and wait for the market to make its move. Okay, so you have a bearish candle here. I need a failure. I'm looking for a failure. When you see the failure finally comes, you will see the power of the trend wave. Okay, currently the direction is still up. But looking at this uptrend, it is not showing very strong promise, although it's moving higher. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens. If the buyers are able to break the high. So you have to pick the direction of the market that you want to follow, and always try to train yourself psychologically to stick with the major trend. Okay. So based on this trend here, you can see key level pull back into big candles, but the major direction is still up. And it is always dangerous till this high. Okay. And currently price is at this zone. Okay. Okay, it looks like we're going for breakout. Okay, now the breakout comes. So I hope this tutorial video gives you a bit more insights on how to follow the trend. Okay, just always use support, low entry point. Okay, low entry point if you're going to do a call trade in an uptrend. Nobody is perfect. You will definitely lose some trades, but the important thing is to maintain your psychology and don't let the loss affect you. Do not increase your trade amount just because you lost a trade, things like that. Okay, let's see if we can do a call trade. This is the retest candle of BB2. Another uptrend breakout wave. Okay, so I'll try to make another video to continue this trend surfing series when I have time, and I hope you guys go through the video and apply it to your live trading and your practice runs. Okay, and another thing is if you're going to do you want to grow as a trader, okay, you eventually have to get away from demo trading, because demo trading is very, very damaging on your psychology. Okay, this candle is not showing any respect from the BB2, so you can't do a call trade blindly if you don't see pressure. Okay, Always be careful of the first candle inside BB2. The uptrend is not very strong. This candle shows that the uptrend is not very strong because despite the behavior, it is still forming into a bearish candle. Okay, so the uptrend is not very strong. So I finally get to show you a trade, but because based on the current trend, not able to see some good quality surf wave. Okay. Okay. So the uptrend breakout of BB2. This candle didn't show the kind of pressure that the uptrend is supposed to have for the moment it touches the BB2. Okay, and this candle, the moment it started, you didn't see that kind of buying pressure. So possibly the market is going back into range, sideways ranging. Okay, so I hope you guys learned something today, and so now let's see if I can just show you one more trade following this new downtrend. So what do you need to be careful of? Okay, the careful is you are in an uptrend. You need to see buyer's failure. Okay, and you can see, okay, okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, we saw a seller's trigger, but it's weak, and like what I told you, you have to be careful of this BB1 zone, and this is the previous high, but generally the major trend is up, but currently we have a downtrend wave, a small downtrend wave, and you can see what's happening. Okay, so I hope I've given you two examples. So now what we are doing, we are actually skiing the downtrend because I see a good wave starting. Okay, so what do we need? We need this candle to go up, retest, and then continue down. Okay, so I hope you guys understand what's happening, and anything you're unsure, anything, please put in the comment section, and I'll do what I can to answer your queries. And hopefully I will make another video soon. So meantime, just go through the video again and again, and try to apply the concept and apply the understanding to understanding the bigger picture. Okay, you need to understand the bigger picture. Okay, the bigger picture is what you need to understand. You need to understand the bigger picture so that you know what's going on, and when you can actually confirm the reversal and follow the trend. You need a proper trend. Okay, market is now in a downtrend. The 20 EMA might break. This is a pullback to the zone, so you need to be careful of this zone. It needs to show you sellers. Currently there is sellers pressure and sellers strength shown from this candle, this candle, this candle, but you're now in the support zone. So just have a little patience and let the market show the direction, show you the way. Don't rush your trades, wait for a clean trend, clean wave. Okay, and you just follow the momentum of the market. Okay, so you have a doji. So just wait to see what happens on this candle. Okay, if the downtrend is going to continue, this candle will break the 20 EMA. If it doesn't, this, like I told you, this is the support zone, so you have to be careful based on the previous high, and this is where the pullback happened and then breakout. So you can see the market is actually bearish bias at the moment. So when you're following the ski, you use resistance to do put trades, but you need to see bullish weakness, bullish failure, things like that. If you do not see it, then you cannot follow the downtrend. Just wait for a good continuation trade. Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you one of these trades. Okay. The trend is down. Pullback, trigger. But the only problem is the 20 EMA. If it holds, then this trade will become a OTM. And this is what I mean. You see the price goes up, you see? It's holding the trend. Okay? But the direction of the market is down. So let's see what happens. So I get to show you one of the pullback trigger trades. Okay, so easily, if you are just a little patient, you see, ITM, 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 3 trades, easy 3 trades, and you don't need to worry and stress yourself. You just need to wait for the market to move and you just surf or ski the wave. So with that, this is the Wolf signing out. Take care, stay safe, bye-bye. If you like the video, do a like. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I believe every trader needs to understand and learn the basics. And one more thing, always remember, okay, just to let you know, for a trader, their journey, most traders, newbie traders, will quit trading before they hit the 3-year mark. Okay, so once you clear the 3-year mark, there's a psychological barrier that you will understand a lot of things that you didn't understand before, because trading is a journey that you keep on learning as you go. Okay, so with that, this is the Wolf signing out. Take care, stay safe, and bye-bye.